guys, welcome back to our closet and welcome back to another vlog. Tonight we are heading to a really exciting event. It is a pre-shopping event for the new Mugler H&M collection that comes out very soon. So they sent me a look to wear from the collection. I am in all neon, even have neon tights on, so you can spot me from a mile away. So I'm gonna bring you guys with me, but first let me show you guys the full look. Okay, so this is the look. It is a neon dress that is from the Mugler H&M collection. I was a little bit confused on how to put it on. So this has a zipper right here, and this piece goes over your head separately, and then this kind of just hangs over your shoulder. It's super flattering. I love the kind of material that hugs you like this. Very flattering. Then I have matching neon tights. I went with a sparkly silver shoe because they also gave me these silver star earrings that are from the collection also, so wanted to keep with the silver vibe. And then of course, only I would own a matching neon Fendi baguette that goes with the look perfectly. So I'm probably just gonna like keep it under my shoulder all night because the pink doesn't really go with the look fully, but you know me, I love to mix colors, so I don't care. So it's just gonna hang under my shoulder all night. But this is the full vibe and I'll see you guys there. Hey guys, so I just wanted to check in because I owe you a little update. So yesterday I actually went to go get my eyebrows microbladed. I actually did it like 3 years ago, and that's about as long as it lasts, and it starts to fade and you need to get it touched up. But because of that, I cannot wet my eyebrows for 10 days, which is so hard. So I went and I got a blowout today and they washed my hair and everything. So my hair is looking amazing. You also can't put any makeup on your eyebrows, so they're looking a little red around the edges, but I tried to put a little bit concealer without touching them because you can't put makeup on them, you can't touch them, but they are looking really good so far. I'm very excited. I loved the last time I got it because it just makes getting ready in the morning so much easier because you don't have to fill in your eyebrows. And yes, I always fill in my eyebrows. They're very like thin at the edges, and she actually told me it's because I sleep on this side. I don't know if that's true, but I'm really excited for the results. So yeah, I got a blowout, did a little bit of makeup, and tonight we're just heading to a few events. First we have a preview for Mugler shoes, and then we are heading to a little like girls night event hosted by one of my other creator friends. She said it's a pizza party. I'm not really sure what the entire vibe is, but of course wanted to go and support her. So just wearing this little floral dress. It's from Kate Spade. Glasses are from Zenny. Earrings are Lele Sadugi, necklace is Sarah Christie, and then I'm wearing these fun yellow boots from Sam Edelman that I need to show you guys. I'm just leaving lunch at American Bar. I had lunch with my friend Bella, who is an amazing editor, and now I'm just meeting up with my assistant to shoot some photos, and then I'm going to What Goes Around Comes Around because I'm picking out a new designer bag. I'm so excited. And then tonight I have an event with Patricia Field, so gonna be a busy afternoon and gonna show you guys my full look. It's a little chilly today, of course, it's May and it's still cold in New York, but I'm wearing this fuzzy pink cheetah coat that is from Zadig & Voltaire. My little tank is vintage Versace. My pants are H&M, and then I'm just using a little Fendi baguette, and then I have on a bunch of different necklaces, some Swarovski, some vintage, little Prada earrings that I got in Venice. So it's a fun all pink look, but I can't wait until it's warm and I can finally just wear sundresses and skirts every day. So I'm just leaving What Goes Around Comes Around, and I got to pick out a Chanel bag because they gave me some store credit after the event I went to a few weeks ago before the Met Gala. So I did a post for them and they gave me some store credit. So I picked out actually 2 bags. I went a little bit over my credit, but I think they are really, really great summer bags. They're beautiful, and I'll have to do an unboxing for you guys, but it was really hard to pick. I was there like over an hour just trying on all the different bags. I'm usually pretty decisive, but something like this, which is like a big decision, it's a Chanel bag, I was so indecisive. So I tried on like every bag, and then I was calling Dave and sending him photos because Dave is my favorite shopping partner, so he helped me decide as well. And I love going shopping with Dave. We always go shopping together on weekends, and we go to vintage shows and flea markets and things like that. So later, either tonight, probably tomorrow, I'll do an unboxing and I'll show you guys what I got. Hey guys, so it's Saturday and Dave and I are heading to go vintage shopping. Some iconic women in the fashion industry are doing a closet sale. I'm calling it vintage shopping, but secondhand shopping, and it's on the Upper West Side. And so they're selling pieces from their closet. I've heard that it's a lot of designer items and the prices are pretty good, I've heard. So we're gonna go check it out. Of course, you know, if there's a good vintage secondhand sale in the city, you know your girls gotta go check it out. So this is the outfit of the day. I'm finally breaking out this vintage raincoat that I got at the Brooklyn Vintage Show so long ago. Let me show you guys the full look. Okay, so this is the full look. The jacket is vintage. It's a raincoat from the Brooklyn Vintage Show. Top is Ann Taylor, I believe. Skirt is Cynthia Rowley. Boots are Steve Madden. Bag is vintage Prada. And I have on a bunch of necklaces. Vintage, Swarovski, Tiffany's. And then this is just a nameplate necklace that my mom got me forever ago. Earrings are Sandy Liang. And this is the full outfit of the day, and I will see you guys there. So we are back in the closet, and before we wrap up this vlog, I just wanted to do a little unboxing and show you guys what I got from What Goes Around Comes Around. Okay, so first, the first thing I got is this stunning watercolor Chanel bag. It is from 2014. I just love that it has so many different colors on it because I know I'll be able to style it with a lot of different looks. Okay, and then next I got this little vinyl Chanel. I'm calling it a beach bag, a beach tote. I just think she is so cute and will be a great summer bag for when I'm in LBI and even just walking around the city. I love bags like this. I just think that they're really fun. Okay, so that is a wrap on another vlog. Thanks so much for tuning in. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next week.